Hello, my name is Stephanie. I'm French, coming from Paris, and I work for the Infinite Thread company. So I came to India to have a workshop with great Dr. Gupta in order to help him being the greatest at thread lifts. Our company is based in France. The product is made in France, invented by Dr. Montes, which has for more than 20 years of experience with threads. He made this specific thread to make sure people will get great results, which they do. Here in India, worked with great Dr. Gupta and all his staff. For 3 days, we have made like 8 patients, full faces, very different patients, from very skinny and elastic people, very middle-aged, and very young people with very strong tissues. Every one of them is very happy. We've seen them, they are all very happy with such nice results. Dr. Gupta did very well. He's an amazing surgeon with very good skills, and he knows everything about this procedure, and so does his staff. His staff is extraordinary. This clinic, Divine Surgery, is very, very fancy. You will feel everything to be comfortable, and you will be very welcome with everyone, because everyone thinks you're a very important patient, and you will feel like a princess. They should use these threads because first they are permanent, so they last very long. We have now more than 7 years results lasting with very happy customers, and they don't absorb, they are harmless, they don't hurt people, there is no allergy, and it's very safe. And also you get very good results with natural results. Nobody can tell you have had surgery. We are providing threads in many countries and all over the world, and most of surgeons are using the threads. These threads are really extraordinary because the technique is very innovative. You know, it's silicone on polyester, and they are made of cones that are not sharp, so they don't cut the skin, and there are multiple positions so that every millimeter of the skin is lifted up and stay caught in it. So you can lift everything nicely to have a fresh and young appearance. And also, which is very new, you can totally remove them if you want to. Most of the threads on the market, of course, you are aware of absorbable threads. Most of the threads are absorbable. Absorbable are not made to last, they dissolve, and also they are made of products who are supposed to make the skin better, but not always work. Also, they are permanent and they last longer. Which is very innovative is the specific shape of these threads and the silicone on it, and the way we attach them from the upper part to the lower part. We make sure you have a lifting part and an anchoring part, so it never slides down. The structure is a thread of polyester, like 30 centimeters long. This is the same material used for cardiac stitches, so it's very safe. And over it you have silicone, which is formed over it in shape of cogs. You have 3 cogs like this. They change direction. Every millimeter you have another cog, another set of 3 cogs, and in the middle part you have the opposite direction of cogs. So you have one part hanging, another part anchoring. Because this is not absorbable, it's permanent. So what is hanged into the cogs is not sagging again. Of course, you can still age a little bit, and maybe in 5-10 years you will need something else, add more threads or something like this. But what is cut stay cut. It helps, it prevents the sagging of this middle part of the head.